Hey everyone, welcome back on Weekly Crypto Review, episode 79 this time. Well, one and we'll have 80 episodes. Good evening, Stefan. Sorry, it's not morning for me, maybe for you. Hey everyone, nice to see some activity in the chat. Stefan, please tell me if everything is nice and clean and on YouTube. On my side, I see everything clear, but maybe. Okay, until then, look at this strong gladiator and his coat. Now, let's start as usual with Bitcoin on weekly. That's why we are doing weekly crypto review. We are reviewing on a weekly basis. Then we'll maybe look at daily. Looking at the Road to Financial Freedom plan, 10 altcoins, and at the end, if we have time, maybe we'll do some requests. Okay, sounds good. So let's start with weekly chart. Well, strong close last week, and this week you can see volatility. Yeah, we are rejecting from 69. Yeah, we had bullish news. We had a lot of things happening at the end of this week, but you can see the market didn't manage to push above 69. I was expecting a bit more bullishness yesterday, hearing the Trump speaking. Well, that was the best speech if I ever heard a bullish speech. Tell me crazy, but that guy just did the best job possible. Yeah, and we are talking about Trump. We are not talking about usual speaker. So I was expecting that the price will push above 69. Seems like the smart guys were prepared with some sell orders there. Otherwise, I cannot explain why the price didn't pump above 69. After all, was buy the rumor, sell the news as usual. We even posted about that. But I was expecting after the initial sell the news, the price to pump until today a bit higher. As you can see, we are still at $67,600. So this candle is not closed yet. It's still open. Let's wait for the Monday morning close. We still have 7-8 hours. But because the market didn't manage until now, I could see the market rejecting from 69 and closing a bit lower. Let's hope that I'm wrong. But if we close a bit lower, that means clear rejection. And we can think about lower levels. Let's not forget about Mt. Gox. Let's not forget about other governments wanting to sell some Bitcoin. Maybe they heard Trump's speech and they changed their mind. Who knows? I don't know. We had a clear correction. 27% is more than enough. So if the market wants to go up, has all the reasons to do that. But until then, let's just take a look here. We reject from 69. We are in the short reload zone again. If you are looking at the line chart or even on this one, you can see high, low, lower high, lower low. And now we are trying to make a lower high. Well, that's not quite bullish. That's weekly chart indicators. Well, nothing special. We reject from 50%, from 50 line on the other side. That's a good sign. OBV, just respecting the price action. Nothing special. If you are on weekly chart, let's take a look at what we have on total. Well, total kind of similar with Bitcoin. Now you can see short reload zone. I could say that it's a bullish flag. It's a bit too long for that. Let's just call it range or a ugly downtrend channel. After all, we are ranging here. But same price action if you are looking at weekly. High, lower high, lower low, lower high. That means a downtrend. We can change that accepting above 2.5 trillion. then we have to reassess and we can say, well, it's bullish, we'll push higher. Until then, I don't know. Total 2 looks similar, so not too many things we can discuss about total 2, just the location, it's a bit lower than short reload zone. In total 3, similar situation, yeah? A lot lower from 61.8. Okay, that's the overview on weekly. I don't think we have anything more to do on weekly. Let's go on daily. I'll change a little bit and I'll go on daily. Okay, so on daily, if you follow us, you know that we are short and we are hedging our portfolio here. We close some here. We are still in the trade. You can see we didn't stop us out, even if we like to be stopped out there, because the spot bags means that it will go higher. We are still in the short reload zone. Ugly rejection here overnight from 8.6 textbook one. You can see shark setup exactly on the dot in the rejection. On daily, yesterday was indecision candle. We have a 3-bar fractal bottom, but today we can form a 3-bar fractal top. Kind of, I see here, if nothing else will happen, I could see a range forming here on daily. So this to be the top, okay, this to be the bottom, and we have another range to play around. I don't want to be too bullish in a short reload zone. Yeah, indeed, Trump spoke really, really nice. I wasn't expecting things like that, but technically we are still in the short reload zone. So if the market will accept above 72 and will close above that level, okay, we can push higher. Until then, well, sorry. I'm avoiding to be short here. I have one, but I don't recommend shorting here. I just don't see a clear setup on daily. Show me a 3-bar fractal top or show me a clear EM and then we can discuss. You can see here we had an EM and we broke down. Let's see if it will be the same. But if we'll accept above, then we can do an AB equals CD and we can an AB equals CD here. Aggressive one will show us a nice target. Let me show you. So this is the AB equals CD. Okay. Let's copy this one and put it here. And you can see 78, 80K. That's the target for an aggressive AB equals CD. Will happen? I don't know. We'll see. Let's just wait to see what will happen. Ethereum. Well, on Ethereum you can see we rejected. Yeah, this was a classic, even more than classic, buy the rumor, sell the news. Yeah? You can see on daily here, this was the fucking top. We didn't manage to even close to touch 61.8 short reload zone here. We touched only this one, I guess. If we take this swing high to this swing low. I guess so. Let's see. Let's find if we touch 61.8. Okay, let's see. Short. Yeah. So, textbook one. From this swing high to this swing low, we bounced in the news, in the ETF, exactly at 61.8 and we rejected. Textbook one, but weak, honestly. Weak price action. Everyone was waiting to short here or to sell some Ethereum. You saw all week a lot of Ethereum going into exchanges. Yeah? And we posted multiple times. Seems like the smart money, even influencers, that they are posting, well, ETF will do that, will do that. Actually, behind your back, they sold a lot of Ethereum. Okay. So here, textbook. I posted here, let me delete this one. On 4-hour chart, I said in the daily plans, if you remember, I said here, I'm expecting a bounce from 61.8 and then going lower. Let's see. We started here. We did 61.8 touch. We bounced. Let's see if we'll be able to drop here in the long reload zone or we'll push higher. we can go and retest this initial EM. We had a nice trade here. Who is a swing trader or who's watching the daily crypto plans, look at this one. Textbook trade. Yeah, bearish divergence, everything was here. We posted before the entry, we waited for the entry, we made 2.5, 3 to 1 risk to reward. That's more than enough for us. Okay, let's go back on daily. This is not the right environment for us to speak about a lower time frame. Bitcoin dominance. If you're watching the Crypto Traders Arena live streams or posts, you know that I posted, I'm waiting here for an M. I don't know exactly how it will form or if it will form, but I'm expecting something similar to this. Not exactly following my squiggly lines, but if we'll get an M here above 78.6, well, that will be a bullish sign for altcoins. We are waiting for more than 1 month for altcoins to pump, and they are not pumping. I don't know when they'll pump. We have a lot of bags. If the price will go lower, we'll not be upset because we'll get even more fills. I think we are in a good position here. If I'll see a daily 4-hour chart, I don't know, maybe it's a bit not enough, let's say that. But if I'll see a daily EM here, I'll be more aggressive hunting setups, holy grail setups with on altcoins. For the moment, well, we are Bitcoin dominance is strong. You can see it's testing this week high. It's close to 57%. I don't see weakness signs on the price action. I don't see neither in the indicators. So we need to wait for a clear EM here. Yeah. Let's see what will happen. We are still in this range. Yeah. If you remember, we draw this range long time ago. Well respected. Nothing to comment about that. But we are here to make money, not to predict the market. So for me to be more aggressive on altcoins, I need an EM here. And then I could hunt. I'll front run this one? No, I'll wait. Now, I saw someone also saying about Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, let's go to that one then. When we're here, someone told you that this was a Wyckoff check and we should probably retest this W. I said W not to say a V bottom, but you can see what happened yesterday. We just retested that level, and yeah, I don't see anything bullish on daily. I don't see bullish divergence. First of all, we can. This is a dead cat bounce here for today. We can go lower. How low? Well, let me zoom out. Who's watching our live streams knows that I see this big pattern, and we can go as low in a long reload zone here. But step by step, Wyckoff check, then a support and resistance here, and then we have this 61.8 from the overall. We should go on weekly to see that. Yeah? People who are watching us from long time ago know that we spoke about this chart from 2022, 2021. We have this range from a long time ago. I was live streaming with Brian Wednesday night and speaking about Ethereum versus Bitcoin here. We never touch this long reload zone. You can see low, high. I don't see why not. Ethereum versus Bitcoin will not go here, touch 61.8 bounce, and then go back even deeper in the long reload zone. I just don't see a reason for the moment for that not to happen. Indicators, well, you can see on weekly you have some bullish divergence, at least on RSI. So give me a double in the long reload zone and I could call a bottom. For the moment, no. When will happen also? Let's wait and see. We'll know when will happen. We'll see a weekly double. Probably, most probably also we'll see that. Now, we spoke about the overview and everything we have here. By the way, if you want to put a request, just type in the chat the ticker in the time frame. But preferably, I want you to put the request at the end of the live stream, so I'll see it, not to be buried in the chat. Let's take a last look at DXY. Nothing new about this one. I said from a long time ago that I prefer to see DXY between these three levels. Yeah, support and resistance, support and resistance, support and resistance. I want to see DXY playing around here. Yeah, you can see in this area. If we'll stay here, well, everything is nice and clear. I don't need to worry about this one for the moment. So for the summer, I could see this one staying here. Well, let's not exclude a black swan event that will move the market up and down. But overall, I think it's more than enough, this range for DXY. Well, that's the overview. We are doing similar overviews every day in the daily crypto plan. You can watch that video every morning. We are live streaming half an hour just before the London starts. Now let's go on the road to financial freedom. So we left it at XLumen and we'll start with Ape. Yeah? Let's see Ape. Well, Ape looks like it's dead. Nobody wants to play around with this one, but don't kid yourself. This one will pump probably back up. Yeah? Let's see what we have here. So now it's at 75 cents and the high was 27. Well, just imagine a 50% bounce and still you'll make a lot of money. So buying here is not a bad idea. But let's go back at our job here. So we bought here. I don't know if we bought here. Let's see what we have. Yeah, we bought here. We sold half on a double. Let's change this one and put this one. Yeah. We sold half on a double and we reloaded here, yeah, at the same level. Yeah, we'll buy again. Well, we bought again. Come on. Yeah, now we should wait for a sell half on a double again here. Nothing we can do on this one. We have free coins. Perfect. Perfect for us. If you want to add more or you want to, I don't know, to play it in a different way, we don't have a clear bottom anymore. We had a W, a big one here, that failed. So for you to call a bottom or for us to call a bottom on Ape, we should wait for the next weekly W. Honestly, I don't know where that W will come. We can see it at 30 cents, we can see it at 10 cents, we can see it at 5 cents. When you'll see a weekly W, just buy the breakout. Or if you don't care too much, you can wait for the breakout and buy the retest. Or you can dollar cost average. There are multiple ways how you can get exposure in a coin like this. Yeah, on the investment idea. You can use Little Old Lady, you can use Road to Financial Freedom, you can dollar cost average, or just buy the first weekly W will come now. We are late in this cycle, so the next weekly W will probably mark the bottom and we can pump up after that. So here, nothing we can do. We bought. Let's just put the sell half on a double in the market. We have free coins already. Really good position to be. Nothing else we can do. Let's see the next one. Near. Old shitcoin. Let's see near. Okay. So on this one, you can see we bought, we sold half on a double. So we bought here, we sold half on a double here, and the market pumped really, really nicely. We decided not to sell, that's the plan, not to sell more doubles. And now we have another order. I don't know if we have another order, we should have an order. Well, let me zoom out. I think This is the bottom, this is the top. I think 78.6 could be a good level. So I have to put a new order here. It is what it is. I'll put a new order here. If I'll get a fill here and another one here, why not? But for the moment, I think 78.6 is a good level. Yeah. So another order at 2.7. It's bullish, it's strong. I could see 2.7 and then pushing higher. In the same time, I could see pushing lower, bad events or something wrong, and nice and clean another weekly W here. By the way, we don't have this one, but we don't have a clear weekly W here. It's strong, I get it, but there are chances for this EM to target this area and then to make a weekly W. So our orders here, they are more than enough. Okay, let me clean this one and put it with blue because I have to post it to Miko. Next one, fill. Well, let's see what we have on fill. Okay, so classic textbook one. I love it. Yeah, you can see we bought here. We bought the weekly W before a weekly W can form. So we had this one. We bought here. We sold half on a double. Market M out here and broke down and reloaded again. Now we have the shot. So this should be a valid shot hit. And you can see we reloaded and we should sell half on a double again at the same level. Hopefully I'm not wrong here. No. Textbook, classic, that's the perfect chart for this plan. That's why I made this plan, because most of the altcoins look like this and they are consolidating a long period of time. That was the idea in this plan. And this is a perfect example. Okay. We bought 78.6, we bought this level, okay, W out, sell half on a double, back down, reload at the original place, even better, more than enough. And now we should wait for a shot. After the shot, if the market will go back down, okay, we'll reload, why not? But at this point in time, only put the shot in the market and wait. Next one, Algo. So on Algo seems like we have a fill. Okay, so well, we bought 0.5. Let's see where we bought 0.5 here. I have a problem. Well, we bought 0.2, and if I remember correctly, I said to buy again here. Well, we bought 0.2 and we never managed to sell half on a double. But I think, if I remember correctly, we bought also 0.1 and we shot. And now we should reload at the original place. That's why we have the buy here. Yeah? Because we bought here initially. I remember, hope I'm not wrong, but I remember I said about Algo, I even posted in the channel at that point in time, let's buy this one because I like it. So we bought here, sold half on a double here. We have another buy a lot higher. That will have to wait for 40 cents for a shot. But now be damn sure you have the buy order here at 10 cents point something. Nothing you can do. Let's wait for another W here. I'm more than confident that in the right conditions we can get a fill here. So nothing we can do at this point in time. Just check to have the order in the market. Okay, next one. VET. Well, let's look at VET. All shitcoin. I made nice money on this one in the last bull market. Let me zoom out and show you. Well, I bought the bottom here, kind of the bottom, and look at the results here. And nobody is saying that this one could not repeat and push back up. Even a short reload zone here, it's still more than enough for us to make nice money. But this this VET was one of the best last cycle for me, personally for me, because I managed to buy the bottom here. Well, On this one, seems like we don't have a fill. We should buy 0.5 here. Let me check. Yeah, on that we don't have a fill. So waiting with a limit order at 1.8 cents and then at 1 cent, 1.1. Okay, I'm okay with this plan. Put the limit orders and wait. I don't want to chase this one, so why not? Let's just wait. As you saw in 1 year and a half when we did this plan, patience pays in this environment. Yeah, everyone was bullish in the beginning of the year. We'll go to the moon, straight up, and I said no, let's wait. Let's put our limit order, let's respect the plan, and you can see we got rewarded. We got a lot of fills at the right prices, and you are making money when you are buying, not when you are trying to sell. Yeah? And I repeated multiple times, buying at 2 cents or buying at 1 cent, it's the difference between 50x or 100x. So it matters. Okay, that's that. Just be sure that you have the limit orders. The next one is QNT. Let's see where we have QNT. Okay, remember on this one, QNT, we have a fill at 66. Okay. So we have a fill at 66 here. And let's just wait. Nothing else we can do. You can see we have this order from a long time ago. Almost 2 years. Yeah? We have this order put here from 2022. And now we are in 2024. And we managed to get this fill a couple of weeks ago. Yeah? A lot of patience. Yeah? It's almost impossible for the public to do something like this, like what we did. But if you have the limit order there and market will go down, we'll take your order. Now, 66, 120 is the sell half on a double. I don't see why not, $130. So I'll put a sell half on a double here. Not bad. Well, if you want to add more on this one, well, wait for that weekly W and you can do that. Yeah, by the way, Miku says to press the like button. Guys, press the like button only if you like the content. If you don't like it, press dislike. No? But do something. Like or dislike. If you are watching, you have an opinion. It's good or it's bad. If it's bad, dislike. If it's good, a like. Okay. So that's QNT here. We have the fill. We'll sell half on a double. More than okay with this coin. Next one. ICP. Well, a lot of people bought the top on this one. Or a lot higher at least. And you can see why. These motherfuckers start trading a lot higher. Well, that's how you learn in crypto. So, what do we have here? We bought 0.5 and we'll reload. We sold half on a double. Market touched 78.6 and I didn't have an order. Bounced, but it's bouncing back here. Well, we have 3 coins, so I'm okay with keeping the order at $4.5. Nothing I can do here. I don't see the weekly W, the next weekly W. We bounced from 78.6 straight up. Okay, I'll wait. I'll just wait. Next one. Who is Miku? Well, you should know. Well, let's see. So we said this one, the next one, EFTM. Yeah, let's see the FTM. We bought and we reload. That means we have an order here. We sold half on a double. You can see the M here. More than okay to wait here. We have an order there. We have another order at 1.5 and some of you still have an order at 5 cents. So waiting, it's a quality here. If you are an investor, waiting is the biggest quality you should have. If you don't have it, well, if you don't have it and you want to swing trade, well, I could help you with that in Capua 1. By the way, guys, in Capua 1 we'll do 1 term, will start probably late August, beginning of September. I don't know in 2025 if I'll do 1 or 2 or even if I'll do the program again. Yeah, it takes me a lot of time. The market is damn strong and bullish, and we need to focus on trading. But because we accepted some people and we said they'll educate them, we'll do it. If you want to participate, I didn't change the price. The price is still the old one for the moment. So 1K, Capo 1, 4 months program. You'll learn the technicals. At the end, in the last month, you'll trade with me and I'll review every trade. And as a bonus, you have 1 year premium access and lifetime Holy Grail access. More than a good offer. A damn good one. The rest is up to you. If you want to wait for 2025 or more until you learn to swing trade, well, that's up to you. Sorry. Spend your money on the market, but don't spend it all. Just leave 1K or 2K for that to learn, because it's you are wasting money if you are trading and you don't know what you are doing. Learn first, make money after. And we are promising if you put the time and effort, you'll be able to swing trade at the end of the program, which is not bad. From zero to swing trader in 1 year, it's a big promise. But it's, I don't know, 95% up to you, how much time and effort and how consistent you'll be to learn. We can try to teach you. We want to grow the community and we want more traders, but the rest is up to each and every one of you. Capo 2 is open, but you have to be already a trader. Yeah, Stefan will do, in this fall, will do Capo 2. DM Stefan if you want to learn more about Capo 2. But you have to be a trader. You cannot be a beginner for that. If you know what you are doing, okay, join Capo 2 and Stefan will teach you some tricks. Well, it's easy to say tricks. Some new setups, deeper market structure, and you can become a scalper after that. It's not magic. It's a lot of time and effort from Stefan and from you, but it's possible. Okay, that's about it about our programs. Let's look at the next one. So we talked about FTM, flow. You can see. Well, we bought here. I don't know if you sold something on flow. I don't see it. I have to check here. So we bought and I don't see a shot here. We have a shot here or not? Check the next buy. So we have 2 buys here. Anyway, you can see W breakout, nice and clean, and we are retesting that initial W. I think here, if we bought, we reloaded here. Yeah, check the next buy. Well, people could check if they want. Here, I think another W will be the best. If you don't want to necessarily to buy at the market price, you can wait for the next weekly W. You can see this was a small and good one, and this one is more than enough. We have coins. We'll sell half on a double. You can see on the first buy here, the shot is a lot higher, 1.3. We bought again. I think we are more than okay on this one. Let's take a look at the next one. ICP flow EOS. Well, that's the last one. Okay, let's take a look at the EOS. All shitcoin. Let me zoom out just to see the overall picture on this one. Look at this one. Yeah. Started in 2018 when I was joining crypto. I saw this one marking the bottom here. We bought some. I bought some. I made some money on it. Not too much, but I made some money on this one. You can see retested that top. And look at this one. Looks like it's dead. Yeah, it's possible, but in the same time could do a nice, I don't know, 10, 20, 50x from here. It's low. It's 50 cents, and this one was a lot higher. We can consolidate this one will probably pump, you know, shit pumps last kind of idea. Will pump probably at the end of the bull market, but I think will pump. So buying here, it's acceptable. We bought $1. Now it's half of the price, but because I don't see the weekly W, I don't want to add. If I remember correctly, last time when we reviewed this one, we said we want a weekly W and then we'll add to our initial position. We can buy another 0.5. Well, I don't see that weekly W. You can see we tried to form something here and we failed. We are testing the old low, we lost it. Give me a clear weekly W, breakout and retest, and I'm more than happy to buy more. We have some. It's an old shit coin. Some people say they will never recover. I don't know, but I'll buy it. I'll buy it. I don't care if I'll get sell half on a double. That's for sure. Well, that's the 10 coins for today. The plan is the same, guys. For new people, you can copy the spreadsheet. You can make your own plan, or you can follow our plan here. Yeah, it's called Road to Financial Freedom for a reason. We are still in this environment. Some people are asking me consistently about this. Well, we are still in this environment. Yeah, use little old lady, buy low, sell half on a double, and repeat the process. Reload. Yeah? When the market will not come back to reloading, will be bullish and will never come back to reload, then we'll know that something changed and we are in the second part. Yeah? We can sell at the house levels and maybe sell everything, or sell everything at the P-cycle top. For the moment, still here. As long as this holds, the better. The longer it holds, the better for us, because we can get a lot of free coins. Buy, sell half on a double. The rest is free. Repeat the process. Accumulate free coins. Okay, guys, that's this part. Now, what we have here. Let me check what we still have here. Well, Trump did a nice job, but you can see, mark the top here on lower time frame, on 4-hour chart. And we had signs, guys. We had signs, even if what Trump said is bullish, for the long run, for medium run, on the short term is buy the rumor, sell the news. Everyone and their mother knew that Trump will speak. And smart money took advantage here. You can see. They sold here. We had bearish divergence, so the market told us before. You can see here we have some bearish divergence. We saw that. I sold here. I made a nice profit until here. I closed and then I switched to the long side. And I didn't make money on the long side actually, because the market dumped back down here. I didn't close it, so I'm still like a scratch trade for me. But overall, market is respecting buy the rumor, sell the news. If you look on 4-hour chart, well, with the bearish divergence indeed, but we have higher highs and higher lows. So on 4-hour chart, we are in an uptrend. Yeah, shorting, it means you are fading the trend. So be sure that you understand that. The best, from now on, seeing what Trump said, from now on, I think the best approach, I even posted on Twitter, the best approach will be wait for a fucking dip and buy the dip. Don't short, don't sell, just accumulate as much as possible. We are pretty late in the cycle, and if you are not a scalper or a day trader, you should not touch the short bottom anymore. Don't try to short. If you are a scalper, a day trader, you are on VIP with Stefan and me, okay, we are scalping up and down, short, long, doesn't matter. We are there to scalp and make money. But if you are a swing trader, if you are a position trader, I think it's a bit too late to short. Okay, if you have a dip, buy the dip. But don't short, because it's dangerous. You are fading in a strong uptrend. That's my 2 cents about the market. I don't know. I'll be right, I'll be wrong. I'll respect what I said. And if the situation will change, I will adapt. Okay, I don't see any requests. Actually, I see one. But until then, let's do something nice. You can see we have 20 retweets here. So someone from these 20 people will win a 1 month premium membership. If you want to participate, just go on Crypto Traders Arena on the pinned tweet here, and you can see this one. Just retweet. It's all you need to do. You don't have to like, you don't have to do anything. Just retweet this one, and you'll participate in the next draw. Okay, now let's go back on this one. You can see the last week tweet. Now, one winner without anything else. 3, 2, 1, and the winner is, well, sorry, I retweeted. Seems like I win. Oh, yes. Okay, let's draw again. Well, also, sorry, I win. Well, now let's pick another winner. Yeah, thank you, Miku, thank you. Now let's be serious. Let's do it again. And 3, 2, 1. Winner is Adri BTC. So Adri BTC, please contact me, and I'll gladly see. I see you have an image from us. That means you are in Crypto Traders Arena from some time. I don't know if you are a premium member already. So that being said, congrats. DM me on first on Twitter and then on Discord, and you will get your prize. If you want to participate, I'll say it again. Okay. Just go on retweet the pinned tweet. I see we have new 9 retweets. It's okay. We can get to 30, 40. The more the better for us. But the more the lowest chances for you. So, Marianne, don't laugh. Congratulate me that I won first time. And go and push that retweet button, and maybe you have a chance to get on premium. Okay, now let's go and see the request. I see a request here about LDO. Cos, tell me what time frame you want about LDO. Let's look at LDO. LDO on Binance on spot. It's a usual thing for me. But I need to go on weekly. And you can see here we have some levels drawn. So LDO. This is the bottom. This is the top. We draw a long reload zone. We are in that long reload zone. But you can see lower highs, lower lows. Nothing special here. Maybe on daily we can trade something. But on weekly chart, we don't have a weekly W. We had one here in 2023. We are retesting that one. But you want to buy that one? Okay. You want to wait for the next one? Maybe you can get a chance here to test these lows. I'll wait for lower levels or for the next weekly W to be sure. Yeah. So I'll wait for that. Indicators? Well, I don't see anything special here on OBV. I could see RSI in bullish divergence here trying to form to confirm. But for the moment, well, you can dollar cost average, that's for sure. For a trader, let's see on daily what we have. Well, on daily price action, you can see equal lows here. We took that one, and now we are trying to do an LJ here. You can see the original EM. If you'll see an LJ, I think the best solution here is to wait on daily for an LJ. So give me a W, the other side of this trend line, and then you can play around. You can even wait for that W and buy with a little old lady strategy, that level. So use the LJ for an entry for a little old lady, and then sell half on a double, things like that. Because a daily W, first of all, will probably be in the long reload zone. You have confluence with LJ. The lower the better, so wait for the next daily W and buy it. That's my opinion. I'm not saying you to buy it or to sell it or to do something else. Yeah. But it's what I'll do if I want to buy this one. Okay. Well, I don't see too many things on indicators. But an LJ doesn't need bullish divergence. An LJ just needs a W, the other side of the trend line. That's for sure. Okay. The next one. Next one, I see Andrei saying about TIA. Well, we probably looked at TIA multiple times. So let's see. Yeah, you can see we have a trade that failed here. Let's clean that up. That trade failed. I journalized it already. More than enough. Now let's go on weekly. Start with weekly is the best. Okay. Andre, you should know because I know you are following us. I posted this one when market was here in the top. And I said, I'll wait here. And I got a fill there. And I posted in the same time, here will be a gift if you have an order. I have the order. You have it? It's up to you. I don't see the weekly W. So I don't see a bottom yet. I don't see consolidation. I just see a downtrend. So on weekly, nothing special. There's nothing special. Was new and shiny, like everything else. Everyone was taking, everyone was buying. And after that, you can see what happened. That's on weekly. On daily chart, well, on daily chart, let me see. On daily chart, I don't see anything special on indicators. You can see OBV is pushing lower, RSI is rejecting from 50. I don't see anything special here. I see this 78.6 area. I have an EM here, but we can watch for a trade, Andre, you can watch for a trade here in this area. Why? You have a daily W, breakout, and you have a retest. So another W here in this area, it's playable. So waiting for a W, probably on 4-hour chart, even daily. Maybe you can find some bullish divergence and play that W. But if you are playing a setup, be damn sure, if it hits your stop loss, get the fuck out. If you want to play investment without stop loss, that's a different thing. It's a good level here. And I remember I recommended multiple times on TIA. From this level, you can start dollar cost averaging. So dollar cost averaging on weekly basis, monthly basis is a good idea if you want to catch the bottom. And I see another Aditya. Aditya wants Aditya. Okay, let's see ATA. If I remember correctly, you asked me before about this one. Maybe I'm wrong. Let's see. Definitely a good location. Now, let's put the volume profile. You can see. We are at the POC, below the POC even. So, definitely no fluff here. You should watch the how many coins they have. Things like that, if they are still working. OBV, really nice. I like it. I like the OBV. You had bearish divergence here. You can see on RSI. This top was in bearish divergence. But this is the level. You should definitely have an order. 4 cents. You are at 9. You should have a limit order at 4 cents. And you should do as usual. Or that's my opinion. Okay. Let's take this low. Let's put this one. And you can see you have location again. So you can buy it here, dollar cost average, little old lady, whatever you want. Put an order here. Maybe you're lucky and you can get that one. For a trade, wait for the next weekly W. You can see you can form something here. Good location between 78.6 and 88.6. That's good. Bullish OBV, I like it. For a specific trade, for a clear trade, I need to go on daily. And on daily, you can see we are in similar position with TIA. You have this daily W. You can see breakout, retesting that one. Next W here. Nothing else, nothing more. If you will see another W, you can play it. To play aggressively and take this one and stop loss here, it's playable, but I don't recommend it. So wait for another double, you can play it. Okay, so that's about it with ATA. That's my 2 cents about it. Don't take it too seriously. I'm just a guy on YouTube speaking about altcoins. Do your own plan, do your own strategy, follow your own plan. If you don't know how to do that, we can help you, but at the end, it's up to you. If you want to invest and you want to swing trade, you want to participate in the market, you have to learn how to do it. Just because you have an account and just because you have some money on that account, that doesn't make you an investor or a trader. If I'll give you, I don't know, some white clothes and you're not a doctor, yeah? Or if I'll dress you like a mechanic, you're not a fucking mechanic. So why do you think if you have an account and you have some money on that account, you are a trader or an investor? You're not. You are just the perfect victim for the smart guys. If you understand that, you are on the right path. If you don't understand that, you'll probably lose some money until you'll get it. There are some people that they are learning really fast. There are some people they need some pain until they'll decide to learn. It's up to you, not up to me. So, I blabbed away by myself 15 minutes. I think is more than enough. If you want to participate in Discord, join. Ask for a verified to get you access on the free part. Stay on free if you are an investor. If you want more, we have premium where we are posting a lot of ideas. You have access on the last chance challenge plan. We are 46% in and the prices are a bit lower from our entries or at the same price. It's still time to get in that plan. The rest is up to you. Yeah? If you want VIP, I think Stefan, last time I checked, had 2 more places because it's limited 20. So if you want VIP, you should DM Stefan. Stefan has a good journal there, has good results, but you have to know how to trade to participate in VIP. If you don't know how to trade on futures, you don't know how to trade with leverage, don't go there because it's not for you. But if you are and you know how to trade, well, Stefan will definitely help you to make some money. Okay, guys, more than enough. 52 minutes. I don't see more requests. Just Andrei joking about SFU. Well, SFU, ask on Discord, Andrei, and we'll gladly answer you. But definitely Miku will not tell you about SFU anymore. Okay, guys. I don't know. I don't like to say goodbye in a fancy way, so I'll just see you tomorrow morning. Bye for now. Bye-bye.